They say to achieve greatness, you have to be in the thick of it. But what if the opposite is true? What if you have to disappear? This is the Monk Mode Protocol, a scientific blueprint for radical transformation through deliberate isolation. Phase 1. Strategic isolation. Your brain is a social organ. Cut off the noise, and you force it to rewire. This is sensory deprivation for cognitive liberation. Science shows that prolonged solitude increases gray matter density in the prefrontal cortex, enhancing focus, decision-making, and willpower. Phase 2. Deep work. With distractions eliminated, you enter a state of flow. This is where true mastery is forged, hour by hour, in complete, uninterrupted concentration. During deep work, your mind isn't just working, it's building. You're constructing new knowledge, skills, and capabilities at an accelerated rate. Phase 3. Physical alchemy. A weak body begets a weak mind. Discipline your body, and you discipline your will. This is the foundation of unshakable confidence. Through controlled stress, pain, fatigue, discomfort, you teach your brain that it is stronger than its instincts. You transcend your limitations. After weeks of this protocol, something happens. The fog of distraction lifts. You see the world and yourself with a terrifying, beautiful clarity. You return not as a victim of the world, but as its master. Your mind is a blade. Your body is a vessel of purpose. You are unstoppable. Question is, are you ready to disappear from the life you know, to become the person you were meant to be? Your transformation starts now.